It's dark out.
Yeah,
What time is it?
It's not nighttime.
Is there time on that?
It's not 6:05 p.m. That's for sure.
Oh man. Ready to go for a rip today, aren't we?
Where are we going?
We're going to Aylesford. We're unloading Aylesford, but it's down Caledonia.
Right.
Round Lake. So we're doing a vlog today, Round Lake. We're meeting up with a few others.
Stoked.
And we got Curtis here now, and we're just waiting for a few others to show up, and then we're heading down the valley. So.
And what's the name of this get together?
It's like the, I think it's like Good Friday mud run. So it's pretty cool.
Should be busy.
Definitely gonna be busy. So stay tuned. You guys will like what you see. Everyone's showing up now. It's big meetup day for sure. Looks like we're getting ready to head out. Oh, hey!
Oh, what's up?
Oh, we're here. We're here. I don't know how we beat all those guys that left us.
I don't know. We were cruising.
We were flying. I mean, we were doing the speed limit. Old Curtis is pulling in. Couple beauty machines right here. Some freshies. All the boys rolling in now. Another big truck load down there. Got a whole bunch of fellows over here. Man, it's gonna be a big run. Big run today, buddy.
You ready?
You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh man, you ready?
We're just ready.
I'm ready.
Now.
Ready and waiting. Get the squad, man.
So we set out from Aylesford and we hit the railbed. Here you see we're getting to our first stop at Tim Hortons in Aylesford.
Of course, the boy, we gotta stop at Timmy's.
Then back on the railbed, it actually takes us through town, which is pretty cool. And where we had such a big group, we had nice guys like this stopping traffic for us so we could try to stick together the best we could. Squad, bud.
Yeah, second stop. Couple meetups. I think we're waiting for some more people here, so.
More
We're
people.
probably gonna be 30 machines.
30?
There might even be 30 now.
There's already at least 30.
Maybe 50.
Yo, dude, there's at least 50 here right now.
Okay, yeah. So it's gonna be, because I think we still have to stop again.
Oh, really? And meet more people.
Yeah, meet more people. So can't get over how many freaking bikes are up here, man. This is more than last year for sure.
Can't wait to get the drone up.
And once we get to the spot, you're kind of just like putting through this trail, and then you just like come out into a pit, and there's just hundreds of people.
I can't wait.
Yeah, it's
Can't
pretty
wait.
sick.
Back on the railbed, we head to our next stop where we're going to meet more people again. But I got a little stuck here, got caught up in the snowmobile trails, and my alignment's out, so once one wheel went into the ditch even slightly, it just pulled me in. And here you see I came out and the other wheel dropped in. I was full steer right and it was still pulling me into the left, so needless to say, I fixed my alignment after this ride. Finally, we got off the railbed and weren't so worried about a speed limit, and we were able to open it up.
Well, we made it.
As you can see, this is where people bring their vehicles to die, and it was so fun to watch. I wish we would have filmed more, but at this point, our cameras were dying, our GoPros were dying, everything was dying, and we had been out for probably 8 or 9 hours at this point, and it was soon time to head back to the trucks.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, that was it. Round Lake, Easter Friday, Good Friday.
That was wild.
Run. We left with a bunch of machines. We lost everybody. So we made it back. Only one belt today. It's not too bad.
Blue belt, crashed a drone.
Crashed the drone.
Every camera died.
Every camera died.
Got lost.
Got lost. It was a pretty good day.
It was a good day. I wish we would have filmed everything, but you know. Oh, also, and we got to try out my new exhaust.
Yeah, for sure. That's a big thing. So
Very good.
thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Watch me.